everyone, assalamu alaikum. I am Nafisa and this is another video. What? See, this is the reason why कहीं किसी का टायर पंक्चर हुआ. Did you hear it? So I'm happy, I'm very joyful at the moment क्योंकि I was talking to my friends. वो अलग बात है कि कॉल abruptly end हो गया because मेरा फ़ोन का चार्ज खत्म हो गया. But I was talking to my friends after quite some time now. और तो so these तो when I was in 11-12 तो मैंने क्लास 10 अलग स्कूल से दिया. 11-12 मेरा was in a different school. तो वहाँ पे I met these 3 musketeers. They were always together. 3 Punjabi boys. One was Birinder, the other one was Hansdeep, and then was Parminder. So Hansdeep we called him Harry, Parminder was Pammi, and Birinder was Biru. तो आज suddenly बात हो रही थी हैरी से, and I spoke to his girlfriend. She's such a cutie. She's from Nepal. She's a really good person. And then we called Birinder, and to steal the show, his father came to the call, and we were just chatting, and we were, I was blessed. I am blessed with the best kind of people. और for some reason, like ये सबके साथ होता है ना कि with time हम लोग we can't keep in touch always with everyone, लेकिन because of the relationship that we've had in school, and it was so pure and innocent that even now after 7 years I guess, even after 7 years we are still like that. When we talk, it's all the same. It just resonates with us so quickly. And we were talking, and suddenly his father is like, hi, and my friend, it's actually, he's such a young man. I am too happy, and I'm just in the thought of what was happening. So I'm also trying. So they're all, Hansdeep is in Dubai, Birender is in Canada, and I'm here. I wanna go meet them, but time is not in my favor. God is not in my favor at the moment, and humidity बढ़ रही है. So what happens, no? Better. आ गई औकात में? Yes. All the baby hair should be tucked properly. My baby hair sometimes embarrass me, but they are fine. I'm at least growing something, because lately I have only been losing. नहीं हो रहा है, बाल सही से नहीं बन रहा है. I'm not happy. Whatever. So कहाँ थी मैं? Yeah, my friends. So these people, they are the vibes, it's just so positive. Or even though my day has been going like trash, yeah, you can't tell by my face, but it was. लेकिन क्या कहते हैं ना, इन लोगों से बात करके ही I'm feeling so much better, I tell you. So I'll tell you one incident, okay? So we took up fashion designing, and भवानीपुर में, the school that I went to, तो वहाँ पे हमारे पास ऑप्शन में था कि for extras, and it was like a subject, it was not like, तो जैसे कई स्कूलों में हिंदी होती है ना, हमारे वहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है. तो वहाँ पे it was either arts or fashion designing. We did not have second language there. So I was like delighted. I took up fashion designing, and it was a proper course. So all these boys, they were like, हम लोग भी fashion designing करेंगे. And the moment they were handed some stuff, what people call girly, but no. So Birender would take the sui to the thread. He would not take the thread to the needle, he would take the needle to the thread. एंड आफ्टर द फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर जब इन लोगों को पता चला कि कितना ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ता है, वी हैड टू डिग इन हिस्ट्रीज एंड फैशन हिस्ट्रीज एंड स्टेटमेंट्स एंड एवरी लिटिल पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी कुड ग्रैब. We had to do projects, we had to assignments. There were 4 teachers for one subject. One was just specific for tie-dye and block printing and all of that, and the other one was fashion history. She was, I think, Australia return. And then there was one Arvinder ma'am, so she was like the head. She taught us, statements and fashion stuff and और कौन, हाँ, and there was this one teacher who used to do just sketches. तो जब इन लोगों ने देखा कि अरे ये तो this is very difficult, we can't do this, तो ये लोगों ने they shifted to arts, which is just drawing. But that also my friends didn't do that well because they're useless. But these people were in fashion with me. तो एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि we were all in a room जहाँ पे those mannequins are there and हम लोगों को ये task दिया गया था that we have to dress these mannequins with newspaper, as creative as you can get. So we are doing that and we were left with no teachers, and we started playing music. And if somebody from Bhawanipur, if later on this video is up and somebody sees it, they'll be more strict with their students, but we did it. So we played music and matlab I even have the videos. I'll show you sometime later, when I have my friends for the video. तो वो लोग, they have danced, they fought in between. You have no idea. I am so blessed with the childhood, with the school days that I got. और उसके वजह से मेरा पर्सनालिटी जो रहा है, अगर मुझे वैसा एक ग्रुप नहीं मिलता ना कि माई फ्रेंड्स, और मे बी आई हैव बिन अनलकी इन फ्रेंडशिप्स ऑल्सो. देयर इज दिस वन बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु डिच्ड मी द वर्स्ट. शी वॉज लाइक माई स्वीट हार्ट. You don't know how far I went in aiding her, but she has been a complete beep. So, but overall, the friends that I had, and I mostly, well, not saying that I don't do well with girls, लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों ज़्यादा boys ही थे मेरे friends group में. There were girls and I love girls, there are still girls, but very few girls have actually connected with me. And those are my darlings. But these boys, I tell you, once they are here with me around, you will see what I'm talking about. Just the conversation, just my friends being in a single room, it's a movie, it's a comedy show, I'll tell you. And it's not like necessary proper jokes. We are a bunch of crackheads. See, I rambled up for 8 minutes straight just talking about here and there about my friends. That's how passionate I am about my friends and my friendships, and that's how, listen, they have given me this reason to speak about it. I have memories that I can go on talking about for my entire life and I will not be running out of stories. That's how much I have, and that's how lucky I have been. बट अभी जब से स्कूल के बाद, मोस्टली स्कूल के बाद, कॉलेज में भी वी पार्टेड वेज, डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस वी वेंट टू, लेकिन वेन एवर वी कनेक्ट इट्स लाइक दैट. सी हाउ हैप्पी आई एम. अभी तो मेरे मामू ने मुझे काम दिया है, काम एज इन उनका काम है, दिस इज हिज टास्क. And he asked for a little help. Would you do this for me? And I was like, sure. I am the best niece. Of course I will do it for you. And it's 48 pages. 48 pages. That's right. 48 pages of writing stuff that I need to do. बट ठीक है, अभी वैसे भी वेली बैठी हूँ घर पे तो कर लूँगी. और अभी तो एनर्जी का बूस्टअप मिला ना, तो किताब लिख देना है. आज भी वैसा हुआ था कि आई वॉज लाइक नहीं, आई कैन नॉट व्लॉग टूडे, आई एम नॉट गोइंग आउट एनीवेयर, देयर इज़ नथिंग एक्साइटिंग. लेकिन ये जो कॉल आ गया ना फ्रेंड्स का, दैट गेव मी द बूस्ट कि चलो यार बात कर लेते हैं. If somebody is watching and if somebody is connecting to me, what better would I want in life? Huh? See, I'm talking about friends and hoping to make friends. Subscribe. Right? Okay. Have you subscribed yet? I gave you time. So, yeah. वो कितना अच्छा लगेगा ना कि वन डे आई हैव फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम हियर एंड देन माई फ्रेंड्स मीट फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम हियर एंड देन वी हैंग आउट, यू कम टू माई प्लेस. वो अलग बात है कि आई डोंट रिप्लाई टू टेक्स्ट्स, आई डू आंसर कॉल्स. सो कीप योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस अ लिटिल बिट लो, बट आई एम अ ग्रेट पर्सन. और अभी ये वीडियो ख़त्म करके आई विल do what I'm supposed to do, what my uncle has given me to do. और उसके बाद I will have dinner क्योंकि hungry I am, and I will watch Friends. Favorite thing to do. I have not even combed my hair. कोई बात नहीं ना, कोई बात नहीं, अपने तो अपने कि क्या ही है कुछ. Slowly you will see the person I am. Slowly. Listen, वो इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा था ना कि I am going on and off क्योंकि यहाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा टेंशन है. Even I went to a doctor and he said, you know, all these pimples and all these things that are going on in your life is majorly being triggered by stress and anxiety and all of that. But once my life is taking a little bit better turn, you know, towards the betterment, you'll see. Oh yeah, you'll see. Okay, till then you keep supporting me, you talk to me and love me, because और क्या ही कर सकते हैं हम लोग किसी के लिए भी. All we can do is wish them the best, love them and pray for them. So you do that for me, I do that for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye then. Subscribe. And I think we should order pizza. You should too. Okay? Subscribe. Like my video. I spoke to you for 13 minutes straight. Wow. So you know कि आप सामने बैठे हो तो क्या होने वाला है. Endless talks. Okay? Alright. Allah Hafiz. Good night.